Yeah.
Welcome to the world of AI. We are the provider of AI face swap software cFace Live. Follow science and technology to the emerging future and foresee the wave of the new era. The best choice in the AI revolution. I am waiting for you here, Tilda. If you like the trouble, light up the heart, have the intention to buy or want to know more, can click on the homepage link. Find us.
Like that tattoo on your shoulder. Pull the sheets right off the corner. All the mattress that you stole.
cFace Live software has a variety of models, can be replaced. Want to customize their own model, can contact us. Now we can see that the second face model has been replaced in the video. According to our own needs, we can adjust the face in the framework of beauty and also adjust the outline of the model more clearly.
Look as good as the day I met you. I forget just why I left you. I was insane. Stay and play that Blink-182 song that we beat to death in Tucson. Okay.